Hey, my name is Jesse, and this is 7 days of road rash and how to heal without scarring. This is like 10 minutes after the accident. I didn't want to go to a doctor because of COVID-19, but if you can get to a doctor, please get to one. Yeah, that's pretty nasty there. And before all the swelling, I did what I could, just cleaned it up and put a bunch of triple antibiotic cream on it, or any antibiotic. Really, you want to keep it really moist. You do not want it to dry out, because if it dries out, it'll scab, and the bigger the scab, the bigger the scar. So as long as you keep it moist, it shouldn't scab, and you're gonna have a lot of yellowing, but it's normal. Guys, if it does scab up, don't worry. All you have to do is cake it with like antibiotic cream or petroleum jelly. And when you do clean it, be persistent. I clean it like every 2 to 3 hours. Just get a piece of Bounty or paper towel or anything like that, wet it with lukewarm water, and glide it over the wound. No scrubbing, just glide it really softly and reapply. Just keep on caking it with antibiotic cream and petroleum jelly. Going into day 4 now, the swelling has gone down considerably and my face doesn't feel heavy anymore. Just remember to clean. It should be caked with petroleum jelly or antibiotic cream, like I said, and you want to wet the paper towel and glide it. Do not scrub, because scrubbing could just tear it and damage you even further. But just make sure it's clean, guys, and just keep it like that. Going into day 5 and 6, I'm still doing the same thing with the cleaning procedure, and I probably will be for the next week. After that, I will use Mederma for the recommended time period, which is like 8 weeks. And if I do have to go out in the sun, I will use a sunscreen that's SPF 70 or higher. If you don't want your skin to scar, please follow these steps, or any recommended steps by your dermatologist or doctor. Remember, that's key. I just couldn't get to a doctor because of the whole COVID-19 epidemic going on, but if I could, I would have gone. But yeah, that's it, guys. Don't freak out. If you guys fall, get road rash on your face, it's all good. There's a chance you might not get scarred.